Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chika and this is Mom's Niche Diary. You are highly welcome to my channel. So how are you doing? How's your health? How's your family? How's the weather where you are presently? So today on my channel, I'm going on an errand. I have some errands to run and I'm going to be taking you along with me. So it's a vlog. Okay, yeah, it's a vlog. So sit back, relax and enjoy this video. And if this is your first time on my channel, you are highly welcome. On my channel, I share content that would enable you live intentionally and to enjoy every phase of your life. So if these are the kind of content you like, then please hit on the subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you get notified whenever I post a new video. So let's get going and you see what I have to do today. We are looking for some toys to buy. I actually promised my boys that they're going to get a toy after this academic session and they did very well. So I'm here to fulfill that promise. So they're here to pick up some toys. And also I want to check if I would see some books for them. So let's see how it goes. I'll take you along with me. Hello lovelies, welcome back. So this is actually the next day. I couldn't continue vlogging yesterday. After we left the mall, we went to see family and from there, that was it. So actually, I said I was going to show you the book I got yesterday. I got this dictionary and I really love it. I also wanted to get this encyclopedia for kids, but I did not see it. Please, if you're in Abuja and you know where I can get some books, some storybooks, some educational books like this for my kids, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, so right now, if you haven't given this video a thumbs up, please go ahead to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Right now, I want to make shawarma for breakfast. So if you want to know how I make my own shawarma, then please stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Keep on watching. So right now, I'm cutting my chicken. I'm shredding it into bits. This chicken has already been cooked, spiced and all of that. So I'm just trying to shred it into bits. Now you can actually shred your chicken before cooking it. That's depending on the kind of chicken you're using. This is just a regular chicken and I took out some parts and I'm shredding it. So you can use beef if you like or any other protein of your choice. right now I want to put this chicken on the fire to stir fry a little bit. I want it to be a little bit dried and fried. So there's really no procedure for this. Like I said, all you need is chicken. Anyhow you want to prepare your chicken, just have shredded chicken. So some days I fry my chicken first before shredding it. It all depends on my mood, and today this is how I'm doing it. So at this point you could spice your chicken up a little bit, soya sauce or any other thing you like. If you have watched up to this point and you haven't given this video a thumbs up, why now? Why? Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It's free, okay? Please subscribe to my channel. It actually helps my channel to grow. As you can tell, it's really a cloudy day today in Abuja. The rain is coming down. It's so cloudy and there's no light. So that's why this video is a bit dark. Please pardon me. Wrapping shawarma is quite tricky. So if you don't get it the first time, don't be discouraged. Just keep trying and you'll get better at it. And there are so many ways you can wrap your shawarma. You can use foil while wrapping to hold them together. You can also use this white paper they use when selling shawarma in marketplaces. So just keep trying and you'll get better at it. And there are so many other ways you can wrap shawarma, but today I'm going to be doing it like this. Maybe some other video I'll show you other ways you can wrap your shawarma. So after doing this, I'm going to just put it on the frying pan, low heat, and allow it to heat up.